So welcome to your 34th Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to send an email message from inside your Visual Basic application. So all we need for this is a button, and I'm going to drag that out a bit, and I'm going to change the text to send mail, and I put a W in there accidentally, and then the text of this form is going to be email sender. Keep spelling things wrong, just like that. So double click on the button, and the first thing we need to do is import the functions that are required to send an email message. So we need to import the functionality to be able to do that. So right at the top of your code, you're going to put import system.net.mail, and that will import all of our functionality for sending an email. So now in the button one click event here again, what we're going to put is we're going to declare mail as new mail message, and then I'm going to declare SMTP as new SMTP client. So that access isn't supposed to be there. SMTP client, and then in brackets we're going to put speech marks, and then the SMTP address of your email provider. So this is normally something like smtp.gmail.com, smtp.hotmail.com, something like that. But I'll put all the main email providers in the description below. So in here I'm just going to put SMTP address. Obviously you've got to replace this with the SMTP address that will be sending it, so the email address, the email provider that will be sending it. And then we're going to do SMTP dot enable SSL equals, and then if you don't know what SSL is, it's basically an encryption that is used by email providers and also other websites, but it basically protects your emails. Now most of the bigger email providers use this, but you'll have to check if your one uses it. I'll put all the main ones in the description below, but most of them do use it, so I'm going to put true. And then what we need to do is the SMTP port. So we're just going to do SMTP dot port, and in brackets, equal to, then in here we're going to put the port number. Normally this is 587. Again, I'll put all the main ones in the description below because some of them are different. And then what we need to do, went down too many lines there. Now what we need to do is smtp dot credentials, and then equals new system dot net dot network credentials, like that. And then in brackets we're going to put the two speech marks, comma, two speech marks. First one is going to be the username to log into your account. Second one is going to be password. So that's simple. And now what we need to do is actually set up the email message. So we do mail.subject, and then equals, and then speech marks, this is going to be, this is the subject. But obviously you can change that. I'm going to leave that like that. Then mail.to.add, and then this one is going to be brackets, and then speech marks, just going to put the email address that you're going to be sending it to. So to@example.com. That's just what I'm going to put. And then we're going to do who it's going to be from. So mail.from, and this is equals new mail address. Then brackets, in speech marks, we're going to put your email address, and that has to link up with this username and password here, this SMTP address as well. So I'm going to do from@example.com, just like that. And then we're going to do mail.body equals, this is the body. And obviously this is going to contain the main text. Then all we need to do now is release that message and send it. So we're going to do smtp.send, then in brackets we're going to do mail, since that's this mail message here basically. So obviously I can't run this because I've put incorrect details in there, but this would work hopefully. So yeah, that's how to send a message from Visual Basic. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.